otherwise known as coprophagia, poop eating, is a very common problem with dogs. Dogs are carry-on animals and they're attracted to vile, pungent, disgusting smelling things. Research shows that dogs are also attracted to certain types of poop. For example, is it fresh? Has it been there for weeks on end? Is it coming from a certain species? Some dogs are cat poop connoisseurs, and they wouldn't dare think of eating a dog poop or their own poop. And it varies from dog to dog. So the best and easiest way to stop your dog from eating poop is management. Management is ultra important for all behaviors, and a dog should be allowed to have access to eat the poop. In other words, have your dog on a leash, clean up poop after your dog goes to the bathroom. However, if you are on a walk in a city or a park, it's important to give your dog olfactory enrichment and allow them to smell feces and other things all along your walk for enrichment purposes. But if you know your dog is a poop eater, keep them away from areas that you can't really see the floor completely. Otherwise, if you can't see the ground where they're sniffing, they're likely to scarf up something that you don't want them to scarf up. Other than that, you can, of course, teach a dog to, or condition them to look at poop and then to immediately look at you and get an even higher value reward, whatever your dog absolutely loves. So they see poop and then they immediately look at you, and then that is their cue, the poop, to look at you to get their favorite reward. Usually it's a food reward, but every dog is a unique individual, and your dog will tell you what they love the most.